Welcome to watch the video. In this video, we'll introduce how to build up example 10 with MUS. Example 10 is a simulation case for chlorinated solvents transport. Application of time-dependent source. Build manually. Step number 1. Constituents of concern. In this example, the decay chain of chlorinated solvents is considered, including PC, TCE, DCE and VC. Here we add rows and then enter the names for constituents of concern. PCE for C1, TCE for C2, DCE for C3, and VC for C4. Step 2. Geometry. The example simulates three-dimensional transport of chlorinated solvents. The geometry is considered with length to 100 m, width 100 m and height 10 m. Step 3. Source. In this step, we need to set up the source region of contaminant, inlet source boundary condition and source history. The contaminant is released from 4 meter in Y direction and 3.5-6.5 meter in Z direction with third type inlet boundary condition. We input the source history for 10 years manually, with concentration of PCE decreasing year by year. Additionally, the concentration data in detail is provided in Table B12. Step 4. Transport properties. Here we set up the aquifer properties by giving the values of groundwater velocity and dispersion in longitudinal, horizontal, and vertical direction. For the following step, we start to determine contaminant characteristics. Here, we enter the decay rate for the first species. In this example, the decay reaction in both aqueous and sorbed phase is considered. Later on, enter the yield coefficient and retardation factor for the first species. The data in detail is given in Table B11. Step 5. Output method. For the last step, it is available to choose the plot type we prefer for the simulation result. In this case, choose the plot type with concentration profile along direction and determine the observation point and the simulation time, which is 10 years. Then click Run. For now we obtain the simulation results for the chlorinated solvents transport in this example. Thank you for your attention.